Now, hundreds of people in southeast Springfield are left in the dark tonight after an explosion this morning caused by a natural gas line.
City Utilities telling us residents near the Lake Springfield area should expect to be without power for several more hours and perhaps even into tomorrow. Color 10 Cindy Moran is live in Springfield this evening explaining how this all started.
City Utilities was completing routine maintenance on a gas line. That's when a valve failed, creating an explosion, sending flames into the sky and terrifying neighbors.
This is crazy. I could just feel the heat and just the loudness of this fire.
It's a sight and sound Jocelyn Little Moon will never forget.
I kind of felt the house shake just a little bit. But it was the noise whenever I came out, just the rushing, the roaring of the fire. I have never seen a big fire like that before.
Little Moon was working just yards away from one of Springfield's natural gas lines. On Monday, 3 city utility workers were completing routine maintenance on that line.
When they disconnected that valve, it failed and the natural gas did not stop flowing and it ignited immediately.
The explosion caused down power lines, leaving 1,700 households without power on a hot summer day.
I'm just worried about everybody in the neighborhood, about their animals inside and their food in their fridge and trying to survive in this heat with no air conditioning.
For some, the flames forced them to evacuate.
You think ahead for events like this and you think, oh, what's important? Well, when you're actually in it, you're going, I don't think anything's important. I'm just going to grab some underwear, shirt and shorts and get the heck out the door.
Joel Alexander with City Utilities says this event is a reminder of how dangerous natural gas can be.
Situations like this can often end up a lot more tragically than they did, and we're very fortunate that our folks are okay, minimal damage.
Neighbors are also fortunate their homes are in one piece, even if it means dealing with no electricity.
We're happy that we aren't exploded. We might be taking cold showers tonight, but I need to cool off anyways.
A handful of neighbors are also without natural gas as City Utilities works to make repairs. You can see dozens of crews are still out here tonight. They first got here at 11:30 this morning, but they are working tirelessly to make sure the power comes back on and those neighbors without natural gas get it. Reporting in Springfield, Cindy Moran, Ozarks First.